All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode. Today we are solving LeetCode question number 66 plus 1. So let's go ahead and get into it. Question reads, you are given a large integer represented as an integer array, digits, where each indice is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. So let's go ahead. It says increment the large integer by 1 and return resulting array of digits. So example 1, we have digits 1, 2, 3, and output should be 1, 2, 4. The array represents integer 123. So it looks like they just split up the value of 123 into an integer, or into an array. So example 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2 is the output. It looks like for example 3, we have 9 and they split it up to 1 and 0. I'm assuming that's to represent 10. Okay. So originally, initially what comes to mind is we could iterate through digits and append each value to a new array. And then the last digit, we could just increase that by 1. And then if it's 9, we could just do 1 and 0. The problem I see with that, though, is if we had a case, let's say if it was 99, we would run into a situation where it would be 9, 1, and 0 instead of a 1, 0, 0. So if you took that 99 out of the array, you would want to, if you added 1, obviously it'd be 100. Instead, if we did the method that I was talking about, it would be 910. So obviously that's we could find some workarounds from that, but I don't think that's the most efficient way we should do this. What I'm thinking is let's turn digits into a string. So let's see here. All right. Whoops. There we go. For I in digits. I spelled digits wrong. Oh, and all right. So we're going to turn digits into a string. Next, we'll go ahead and join digits. And we'll make it into a integer. Okay. Make sure we can do it this time, and then join. Oops. Join. Okay. Here we go. Okay. And then lastly, we will want to make our final value. Actually, we'll just say increase increase by 1. So let's say final equals int num. Okay, and then I gotta increase it by 1. All right, and then we'll return that same number as an array. So just the same format that they gave us to begin with. Return array. Okay, let's see, how do we do that here? So map it, int, final. Got to indent. All right, let's see if this works. There we go. Perfect. Let's see if, let's go ahead and just run the debugger. I just want to see. Yeah, sorry, no comment. Just to help us visualize. So we got, let's go. There we go. We got S, and you can see each value is now a string. We got nums, which has joined the string and also turned it into a integer. And then we're going to take that integer and increase it by 1 and that is going to represent final. So we can see right here, final is equal to 124. And then we're going to turn final as a array. All right, let's go ahead and submit that. Should work. Sweet. All right, go ahead and post that solution. Just a simple solution. Yes. Alrighty, guys. Well, that is my solution to +1 LeetCode question number 66. Let me know in the comments if you guys have a better method, anything I can improve on, or if you guys liked my method. Again, please comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on all of my videos. I will be posting one every single day for the next, I think, 87 days now, at minimum. So, stay in tune with my journey to be a LeetCode master. And thank you guys for joining in. Have a good one.